Shit, what's up? What's up? It's the In the Morning song. Shit, Young Dope back again. Listen. Ain't no point in fighting, kissing and be biting. I touch below the waist, and now you feel excited. Our feelings combining, my love is so blinding. I'll be there in a minute, so you ain't gotta time it. But be sure when I get there, your clothes off. We going strong all night, I break your walls off. Sorry for keeping you waiting, but don't doze off. And if the alarm just so happens to goes off, then don't hit the snooze. I'ma start a civil war, but don't call a truce. You my baby girl, I won't let you lose. We've been fighting all night, I know your body bruised. Crying tears and pain, you gon' make it rain. Baby, do you know, the neighbors know my name. But you ain't ashamed, we do what we do behind closed doors, so they ain't got a clue. Call you the best I ever had, and I got the proof. Loved and loved it, another one coming, another nut busting. Ain't this discussion, but let's keep rubbing. And when we done, I put your head on my stomach. Baby, I'm your home, better yet your life. Girl, I make it moan to set the feeling right. Baby, what's my name? Say it slow and nice. Girl, you do me good, like you're rolling dice. Can I hit it in the morning? 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 The sun rising while you on it.